Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the IFB top load and making sure the control panel is visible. This avoids accidental program changes. Press the power button, then press the dedicated clock or settings key to enter time mode. You should see hour digits flash. If not, hold the button for 2-3 seconds. Use the plus or keys to change hours. Press quickly for single steps. Press and hold for faster increments. Once hour is set, press the same key to advance to minutes. Once the hour is flashing, adjust it carefully using the plus or minus buttons. This sets the main time reference for delayed start. After setting hours, press the clock or OK to move to minutes, and tune them the same way so cycles run when you expect. Make sure to set AM or PM where applicable. Some IFB models use 24-hour format, so check the display. When both fields are correct, press OK or power to save. Your machine will now use the updated clock for delay start and maintenance reminders. After adjusting minutes, press OK or start to save the new time. The display should stop flashing and remain steady. Once done, verify accuracy by setting a brief delay start, 10 minutes, and confirm the machine begins at the expected moment. If the clock resets after power loss, make sure mains supply is stable and consult the manual about an internal backup or capacitor. If problems persist, contact IFB service because a faulty control board or battery backup may be failing. Keep settings straightforward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.